So hey guys, I'm back with another Blender tutorial video. I just discovered this by myself. I made my little own custom thing by myself. I didn't even know it would work. But anyway. So basically, I was trying to, a lot of Blender artists, they try to make it glow in a transparent background, but then the glow doesn't really show up, and it's kind of annoying. So to fix that problem, like for example, if I was trying to make this, so if for example I'd put a glare over there, and right. So the glare would only show up for here, not for the transparent background. However, I'm not going to show you how to make it. I just made like a little setup thing. So, yeah, So, so this is what I made. And you just have to put this on the image and stuff like that. Which now makes the glow actually appear. It makes the glow actually appear in the transparent background. So, thanks for watching my video, and yeah.